Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so I know it's been a minute. Don't come for me. Don't do that. We're gonna excuse your sis because a lot has been going on and I've just really been trying to get back right, recording and stuff like that. I was supposed to record like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 videos, but I'm here now. Okay. Yeah, so this video is going to be, as you can see on the screen, a review on the Bohemian Passion Twist that I received from a company called Elevate Styles. This is the pack that I got. I have 11 of these Bohemian Passion curls in the 24 inch. I got it in the color 1B because my hair is off black. The back says the normal that pack hair says, flame retardant, synthetic fibers, crochet braid made easier, yada yada yada, a whole bunch of nonsense on the back. But yeah, let me talk about this before I show you the clips and also pictures. I have a clip of how I did it, and also I have pictures of it. As you can see, it's not in my hair right now at the moment because I took that shit out. I took it out. Not because the hair wasn't good or nothing like that, just because I really want to start fresh and I want to do it again and I want to do it right. I might just even get somebody to do it because that was one of the hardest hairstyles that I've ever done in my life, because I was stuck using a mirror like this and a long mirror to try to do parting, all of that, because I did the single passion twist. Because, you know, like, I could have braided my hair and then crocheted it, but I wanted to do the single ones because I wanted different styles. I wanted to do this look also because it's the summertime coming up. I was tired of doing these frontals. I was just tired of the wigs. Like, the wigs had to go. Like, I just needed a break, and I got my break and I missed my wigs. Okay, so yeah, let me go ahead and talk about it before I show the clip. Let's talk about price. As you can see on the screen, this pack costs $5 and some change just for a pack. It comes with 32 strands, which I would recommend you cut it in half because I did the whole 24-inch strand and it was just doing too much to my edges. Like, it was just too heavy. It started to wear down and it just became a mess. Also, my hair started to stick out of it because I have natural at the top and then straight pieces at the bottom, and those straight pieces looked a hot fucking mess. It had to go. It was a no. I had to let it go. I had to let it go. Let it go. Just let it go. Just go. Yeah, I had to let it go because it was just too much for me. I really couldn't, I didn't want to handle it. Like, I could have handled it. Like, I could have went in and redid it, but nah, I just took it out. Y'all, this is my first time trying like these big ass mink lashes, and like I feel like they just taking over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and put the clip in so we can go ahead and talk about it after y'all done watching.
Alright you guys, so this is what it looks like straight out the pack. I separated them in two. I used 2 pieces to make them uneven so I can have that little curly piece at the bottom that's thin. So after that, I'm going to kind of separate it some more within the single strands because I want it to be thick. I want it to be thick versus thin, and that'll help it get some more density and stuff like that. So I'm going to stick my crochet needle in my parting space going vertical versus horizontal, because once you'll see when I pull it through, it gives a line and it keeps the line right there, and I'd rather have the line going vertical versus horizontal. So now I'm just going to twist it and put it in the crochet needle, and I'm going to pull it through like I'm doing right now. And I'm just going to take one side of the passion twist and pull that through and tie a knot with that. Now that I'm done doing that, I'm going to take the pink manga hair edge control. My hair was freshly washed, so it was thick, and I'm just going to put that on there to make it thin out and separate those into two pieces between the passion twist, and just go ahead and twist. As you can see, like, you'll know when you're twisting it if it's gonna stay, because I twisted some of them, and if you twisted the wrong way, it's just gonna unravel, but this one is just gonna stay. So I'm just gonna keep twisting and twisting and twisting, and I'll end up putting some leave-in conditioner on there so that it'll give it that natural look. And I'll just keep on twisting. And don't be talking about how rude I look in this video right now, because this clip I recorded when I had just woke up and I was trying to hurry up and go to work. So, y'all, it really took forever.
Alright, so now that you're done watching, let's talk about pros and cons. I'm going to talk about the cons first. Cons is, like I said, if you have those straight pieces and the natural at the top, those straight pieces will stick out. I've heard people say you can dip your hair in the hot boiling water, but I feel like that is hot, it's heat, it's damage to my hair. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to just pass on that and do something else. What else? Another con is that if you twist the hair the wrong way, the strand will look really funny and it will start to unravel, and I ain't got time for it to be unraveling, because once it unravels, it's kind of like hard to ravel back. That's another thing. The ends, I really didn't have a problem with the ends, like cutting it wise. Like, I wasn't like, oh my god, I gotta hurry up and cut it. Another con is the time frame. It took like 6 hours, but I did start, stop, because like my arms was getting tired and I was just like, no. So that is another thing. I would go to somebody and get this done. I would never do this by myself again, I don't think, unless y'all was like, Victoria, can you do this on live for us? I probably wouldn't do that. I'd probably do it, but it just took forever. It's very, very tedious. Let's talk about pros. It's not all bad. The pros is when you first finish, it just looks so cute and fresh. I did it on my grandmother's hair and it really looks nice on hers. Like, it's lasting. She has no problems, only because like I can see what I'm doing. I know how to part. Like, it looks really, really nice on hers. I can make the hairs not stick out and stuff like that. So I'm going to have to do another video doing an update on hers to let you guys know, because I don't think it's something that you shouldn't get. I definitely think you should try this if you want to try something, you know. I only left mine in for a week and a half, but it's good to give your hair a break. Don't do the whole 24-inch. I wouldn't do the whole 24-inch because it was just a lot. Like, it was pulling on my edges when I would put it in a bun. Like, it was just too much. It was too heavy. But I do suggest that you cut it in half and then do it like that. It would be past your bra strap still. Because my grandmother's, hers is past her bra strap, and she doesn't have any problem with it. That's pretty much it. It's nothing else that I need to tell you about this. Besides, go check out Elevate Styles. They have a lot of more stuff than you think they have. Speaking of Elevate Styles, I also got this Black Rice Powerful Hair Growth by Hair Evolution. I got this because I was supposed to go on like this whole natural thing. So like the braids, and having those braids in your hair, it's just a lot of stuff going onto your scalp. So it's good to keep your scalp moisturized, and this helped me throughout my time frame of having the braids in my hair. I definitely recommend it. All you need is like drops, like go through, part your scalp. When you put it on your edges, just watch how you do it, because it's a lot and it's really thick, but my scalp ate it up so much. I really think it helped because I had a lot of new growth after like a week and a half Well, not a lot, but I had new growth after a week and a half. So I definitely think you guys should try this. I am gonna track my growth using this and then come back and let you guys know how much it's growing and stuff like that. It has actual black rice in it, if you can see, which is kind of weird. I've never heard of black rice before. They have the other one like this, but it's the white rice and it has actual white rice in it. I got the black rice because I was like, maybe it's stronger. So I don't know. You know, I'm weird, y'all. If y'all don't know by now. So yeah, definitely check this out if you're on a hair growth journey. This costs around $10, $9. So it doesn't cost a lot. It is a 2-ounce bottle. I'll leave that link at the bottom. I'll also leave some videos that I did at the bottom as well for them, and at the top. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and see you guys in my next videos.